Hello students, today we have a special guest with us and his name is Bob. We are on a mission to help Bob find the area and perimeter of each and everything in his room. First, let's study what area and perimeter are. The outer boundary of any flat object is called its perimeter, and the space occupied by that boundary is called its area. Now let's quickly start helping Bob. First, Bob has a bed in his room. Which shape do you think this is? Yes, you are correct. This is a rectangle. How do you think we can calculate the space used up by this bed? Yes, we have to calculate the area of this bed. Now, do you remember a rectangle has two pair of sides of equal lengths? If we mark the length as L and breadth as B, then the formula for area of rectangle is simply length multiplied by breadth. That is L into B. Let's calculate the area now. So we know that length L is equal to 200 centimeters and breadth B is equal to 100 centimeters. Putting these values in the formula for area, we get L multiplied by B equal to 200 multiplied by 100. That is equal to 20,000 centimeters square. Now we have to find the perimeter of this bed. The perimeter will be twice of sum of length and breadth. Do you see the rug near the bed? Let's see it closely. Do you identify the shape of this rug? Let me give you a hint. It's a type of a quadrilateral. Yes, you are correct. It's a parallelogram. We need to help Bob by calculating the space used up or the area of this rug. This is the height of the parallelogram denoted by H, and this is the base length of the parallelogram denoted by B. What do you think is the formula for area of a parallelogram? We have already studied a similar one. Yes, it is also H multiplied by B. Bob told us the height of the rug is 50 centimeters and the base length is 40 centimeters. So to calculate the area, we have H equal to 50 centimeters and B equal to 40 centimeters. Putting in the formula for the area of parallelogram, that is H multiplied by B, we get 50 multiplied by 40, that is 2000 centimeters square, which is the area of the rug. Now Bob is hungry. He wants to eat a sandwich. Seeing the sandwich, he also wants us to find out about what shape of the sandwich is and what is its area. So can you identify the shape of the sandwich? Yes, it's a triangle. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle. If H is the height and B is the base, the area of triangle will be half multiplied by base multiplied by height. If the height of the triangle is 10 centimeters and base is 15 centimeters, we get half multiplied by 10 multiplied by 15, and finally on solving the area comes out to be 75 centimeters square. Also, Bob has a round table in his room. Let's try to calculate the area and perimeter of this round table as well. Bob told us that the distance from the center of the boundary of a circular table is called the radius and denoted by r. The formula for area of a circle is given by pi multiplied by radius square. Here, pi is a constant whose value in fraction is taken as 22/7 and in decimal it is taken as 3.14. If the radius of the table is 28 centimeters, the area can be calculated using the formula pi multiplied by radius square. That is equal to 22/7 multiplied by 28 into 28. When we solve this, the answer comes out to be 2464 centimeters square. We have a special word for the perimeter of a circle that is called as circumference of a circle. The formula for the circumference is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius of the circle. So putting the value of radius and pi, we get 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 28. Upon solving this, we get the circumference of the circular table equal to 176 centimeters. So we have studied that perimeter of a rectangle is twice multiplied by length plus breadth. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Area of parallelogram is height multiplied by base. Area of circle is pi multiplied by radius square, where pi is a constant and whose value is taken as 22/7 or 3.14. And lastly, the circumference or the perimeter of the circle is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius of the circle. We hope that you have understood the concept of area and perimeter. Now here's a secret on how you can study effectively with the EduRev app. You can learn with chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve NCERT-based MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for class 7th and much more for your class 7th preparation. Thank you.